Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Miss Irma. My name is Auni Syazana binti ZAHAR and my metric numbers is 23DBT 19F1035. Today, I will be running the first lab, which is accuracy and precision in measurement. Before we start, the objective of this lab is to determine the accuracy, precision and percent error of volumetric equipments. Significant figures in measurement and calculation, and the last one is to use the volumetric wears and the weighing balance in a correct manner.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Irma. My name is Muhammad NAZHAN HAQIM bin ROMZI and my metric number is 23 DBT19F1055. Today in this lab video I will conduct the experiment about lab assessment 1. And first of all, this is my lab assessment about instrument, and we were talking about the accuracy, and we have to focus the objective in this lab video. Thank you. Okay, so in this preparation session, I have prepared the materials and preparation as follow in lab manual. So here I have prepared the tap water. You can see the volume of tap water, 1 liter clear. I have prepared the 1 liter tap of tap water. Then I have prepared the measuring cup. I just use the bottle to measuring the of tap water or any other volume of liquid. So I just use this. Okay, then I have tumbler. So tumbler, I replace this container as follow in that manual. And then I have other volumetric wear. You can use a cup, glass, but you need to make sure that have a scale on the surface, so you can see the scale. It makes it easier to have the right volume of calculation. Okay, then the last material we have kitchen scale. Okay, later we have to do the second calculation, second reading. Just wait it. Okay, we got for 48 gram. Okay, just write it on the paper for second readings. Okay, right now, first thing first, we have to measure the scale of the reading, and the scale you need to measure it at 0 units to avoid the false calculation and any other error, as you learned before in this lab manual. So we have to wait and continue using two balance with different sensitivity. So I have choose the kitchen scale for my data, then I use only kitchen scale, and my partner have to use the digital balance. Right now we need to record the empty container, and then you must write in the worksheet. Okay, first wait. So here you can see that I have got for 50 gram. Okay, 50 gram of empty container. So I need to write it on the paper, so it make it easier to read in the data or result. Okay, then I gonna to show about the second. We have to use measuring cup. So I have this measuring cup. As I can say before, I have the correct volume of milliliter. Okay, so first I need to pour the water into the bottle. Make sure you have the right readings. Here you okay, I think I have got the 100 of milliliter water. You can see the tap water in the measuring cup. Okay, I have the right volume of tap water, so I just wait it on the kitchen scale. Okay, in the first reading I got for 120 kilo 120 gram. So in the first reading I must put that for 120 gram in the paper. Okay, for the second reading of the tap water in using measuring cup, just weigh it. And here I got the reading of the volume of tap water in measuring cup for 120 ml of tap water. Okay, so right now I have replaced the tumbler with the bottle. Same for measuring cup, I have the volume. You can see we have the 100 milliliter of volume. So I just do the same as before, just pour the water into the bottle. Okay, done. I have 100 milliliter of that water in this tumbler. Okay, so for the first reading I just do the same with the same before, just weigh it. For the first reading I got for 100 120 gram for the first reading. Okay, then for the second reading of the tap water plus the tumbler, I have got for 120 gram. We got the same readings as before. Okay, right now I have to show about volumetric wear. I need to perform about volumetric wear, which is we need to repeat the same step before, but we have first to pour the tap water into the empty container first. As we told before, I have to pour the tap water for 100 milliliter. Okay, just use the solution before because it has the same volume of tap water. Okay, then wait it. Here I got the reading for the tap water in the measuring cup. Okay, I have 140 grams. For the first reading I got 120 grams. Okay, then I gonna weight the tap water using empty container. For the second reading I got the 140 gram of the tap water for second reading. Okay, then I just repeat the same step before. As usual, I weight the water bottle. For the first reading I got 120 gram of the tap water for the first reading. Okay, for the second reading, just weigh it. And here I have the reading of the tap water in the water bottle for 120 gram for the second reading. For the last volumetric where I have, we have a tumbler, but the container is too big and it need more space, and so I have to pour the tap water just that I can. Okay, for the first reading of tumbler I got for 100. Here I got the reading of 100 gram. Okay, then for the for the second reading of the tap water in the tumbler, I got for same with the first reading, got for 100 gram of tap water. Okay, so that's the instruction and procedure that I have to perform for this lab assessment 1. That's all, thank you.
These are the materials that we need: empty container, measuring cup, jug to replace the tumbler, other volumetric ware, cup, glass with scales on the surface, and the last one is digital balance. First, weigh an empty container using digital balance and record the weight of the container. Next, use a measuring beaker, transfer 5 liters of tap water into the mentioned container and weigh it on the digital balance. Record the weight of the container plus the water, and after that, repeat it at least 2 times. Besides that, repeat the step 2, 3, and 4 with different volumetric ware, which is jug, replace the tumbler, and the other volumetric ware.